Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to add or remove payment methods on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to change payment method or add a payment method on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to do next is you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down, and here you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go back, and now you have to simply open the name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to simply click on media and purchase it, and you have to click on view account, and after that you will find the option of manage payments, and here you have to simply click on that, and after that you will be able to remove or add a new payment method. But there is also another method which you can use to do the same procedure. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store here. So in app store you have to simply click on that profile, and after that you have to click on name or Apple ID here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time, and this kind of interface will be available where you can simply click on manage payments, and after that you can simply click on that manage payments option, and you can simply add or remove any payment method you want to add, and after that you have to simply click on done, and after the verification your payment method will be added or removed. So in this way you can simply add or remove payment method on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.